Step into a realm of luxury near Dupont Circle in Washington, DC. This residence offers a diverse range of shared accommodations, providing ample choices to suit your preferences. The spacious rooms have a lot of natural light coming through large windows. You could relax on the plush bed while watching your favorite shows or movies on the TV, using the free high-speed Wi-Fi. The well-appointed kitchen features a cooktop, microwave, and all the necessary appliances for making delicious meals. With bills included in the rent, you can enjoy a hassle-free and comfortable life here. In addition to all these amazing features, you can go for a swim at the pool on a sunny day and get a quick workout done at the gym. That's not all. The property is close to the Dupont Circle metro station, so you get easy access to buses or trains to explore destinations like North Cascades National Park or the Hirshhorn Museum. On weekends, engage in grocery shopping at Whole Foods Market or enjoy drinks with friends at the Post Pub. The close vicinity of George Washington University and the American University makes this residence a hotspot for students. Live your dream life by booking your stay at Harrington Housing near Dupont Circle in Washington through emberstudent.com.